So this area is called Lane City. It's just off the highway on the outskirts of Ely, Nevada. It's a pretty interesting area. Quite a few abandoned buildings. Some of them look like they're pretty old, like, I don't know, early 1900s. And then some look a little more modern, like maybe 80s, early 90s, something like that. Looks like there was a fire at some point. Ah!
You should have worn pepper spray.
I think is that a mosquito eater?
I don't know. They just keep coming to me.
Oh, interesting. Interesting. Look at that big space under there. It's like it was built up on stilts. Huh. That's crazy, can't even like get to it. Looks like the ground must have just like really eroded.
Must have.
It looks like it washed out.
Yeah.
Huh. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
I wonder if that's why they left. I wonder if there was some sort of disaster.
Maybe.
It doesn't say no trespassing, so let's go. Doesn't feel like the most stable floor I've ever stepped on.
Don't step on it.
I'm stepping.
Yeah.
It's not that far of a drop if I fall.
Hey.
Some old handwritten notes. Yeah. Looks like this must have all been part of the school because it looks like little kids like work or something. Yeah, I don't know.
It has a fireplace. It's like a home.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know.
Maybe they're just like young kids.
Could be. It's like some little kid's homework.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like some kids' homework. It's just like words. It's an old Polaroid in here.
Really?
Yeah, like a Polaroid picture, yeah.
Oh,
I don't know, just a hallway.
I want it, but I don't want to touch that.
Yeah, it's kind of gross. Huh, interesting. There's a car on the other side too. Interesting.
Yeah.
There's like a sink. Looks like a schoolie.
Kind of does. What the heck?
There's like a sink and stuff. That's weird.
Yeah. Does look like a school.